Today we're gonna talk about the Sennheiser MKE600 and why this microphone is just perfect for making YouTube videos. So recently I fell in love with YouTube because I can film whatever I want, learn new skills and share them with you guys. I first started with my lav microphones from Rode, but as you can hear, the sound quality is not as good as from my shotgun microphone. And since the audio quality in a video project is very important, I decided to get a shotgun microphone. But since I film with my A7S III, I don't have any XLR inputs with phantom power, so I needed a microphone with a 3.5mm jack input without the need of the phantom power. And after a small research, I found the perfect microphone, Sennheiser MKE600. The microphone is delivered with a nice small bag, a shock mount, a windshield and this adapter cable. Each part is made of a durable material and feels very high quality. But the best selling point of this microphone are the features. Well, you can power this microphone with cameras like the Sony FX6, but if you want to use this microphone on a smaller camera like the A7S III, you can run it also by a normal battery. You have just to unscrew the back side of the microphone and put a normal battery inside. On the top of the mic you will find two switches, one for the power, one for the low cut and the LED for your battery status. By switching on the low cut filter you can reduce the ambient room noise and low rumble sounds. Let's now talk about the right way to use a shotgun mic. Shotgun mics are very directional. They record whatever you point them to and reduce the surrounding sounds. To get the best sound quality of your boom mic, try to get as close as possible to your sound source, but just out of frame like here for example. I highly recommend you to invest in a good microphone because a lot of filmmakers are buying a lot of expensive film gear, but they underrate the importance of audio quality. Most people are watching their content on smaller devices like iPhones and they don't care about 8 or 12K video resolution, but if your audio sounds bad, people will leave your content. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of my content and develop your skills, subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in the next one.